I'm just thrilled to show you the SawStop CTS, compact table saw, if you will. It's the first SawStop under $1,000. It comes with SawStop's patented safety system that stops the blade on contact with skin and drops it below the table in less than 5 milliseconds. It's ideal for home shops, particularly for use in small shops that are limited on space. The saw's heavy-duty construction makes it sturdy enough for use by contractors on the job site. Weighing 68 pounds is compact enough to be hauled in a car or pickup. A carry handle makes it convenient to transport the saw to wherever it's needed. An optional folding stand is available, while the saw is also designed to operate securely on a bench or sturdy table. Despite the saw's compact footprint, it has a lot of capacity. Its fence rails extend to allow a rip cut down the center of a 48-inch panel, giving it the same rip capacity as SawStop's larger, more expensive portable saw, the JobSite Pro. The CTS compact saw uses a 10-inch blade and allows a 3 1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/8 inches at 45 degrees. Please note, you cannot use a dado blade with this saw. The built-in on-saw storage keeps handy everything that you need to adjust and operate the saw. This saw features a rack and pinion fence that's easy to adjust and easy to remove, and always remains square. The fence has a built-in high and low shelf to support all types of cuts. The quick tilt bevel feature with micro adjustments makes it easy to tilt the blade to your approximate angle and then further fine-tune the angle 1 degree at a time using the micro tilt adjust feature. The SawStop CTS will give you accurate results whether you're in your home shop or at the job site, and you'll keep these. That should make you smile.